This video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Block, and this particular ransomware is the part of the Xorist ransomware family. This video is the demonstration of what exactly this ransomware does with the files. Of course, I really wish that people will never experience a problem like that. The good thing is that this video is simply the demonstration of the damage by the ransomware. I really hope that this ransomware will never affect any real computer. Before the ransomware actually attacks the files, it is possible to open them without any problems. But because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system, the ransomware may be injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that they cannot open their data anymore. So the ransomware may modify some files, and then it may also add some special unique extension. In some cases, no extension is added, but the files still cannot be opened. The ransomware tells its victims to actually pay the special ransom for the file recovery. In my particular case, it says it's 125 American dollars, but I don't really understand anything what it means here, because some encoding problem is taking place. Nevertheless, remember that paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. I strongly urge you not to pay that ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. Consider going to the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long random names in the background, and their task to stop the further file encryption. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to consider going to the C drive of your computer or other system drive, go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. Go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. To start Combo Cleaner after the installation, you might need to go to Program Files again, select Combo Cleaner folder, and start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete this Block ransomware effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.